What's up, everybody? We got a special unboxing today, man. We gonna try out something new, something different. I just ordered them. They just came in. New unboxing. Now listen, I don't have my knife today to open this box, so we're just gonna use the Mighty Samson. What you're looking at here is one of the biggest Rottweilers in the world, biggest head Rottweilers in the world. Yeah, open your body up just like that. Got it, Samson. Thank you. Thank you. Nope. Now we're gonna go in. Thank you. Yeah. My new unboxing partner right there, man. You can get you a puppy, a giant Rottweilers. You know I breed them myself. But let's get to the unboxing real quick. Thank you, Samson. I appreciate it. These are the Christian Zeros cartoons. Open him up for me, Samson. Ah, yeah. Open him up. Open his chest plate up. Ah, good boy. Good boy. Down. Down. No. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Yeah, man, and it's just easier to do it like that when you got a Rottweiler with the jaws of steel. But, you know, back up, Samson. We don't want to mess up this box now. This is how it looks. The Christian Zeros. Feel me? Yeah. Christian Zero. Oh, no, Samson. No, don't mess up my box. No, chill out. Here we go. We got an unboxing here. Damn. Check those out. No. Back up. No. Move. Big, bright yellow, thick laces. Big, thick bottoms. Yeah, man, I had to try something different. Look at how that color splash, that cartoon. They call them the cartoon 300s. These the high tops right here. Oh, yeah, man, these is going to be dope. Add these to the collection. No, Samson, go. Back up. Snatched a pair. They about $179. A little $200 shoes or something right here. You feel me? We're going to do a on shoe review just in a minute. Yeah, these are pretty dope, though. You know, something else to add to the collection, man. You know, you can't just keep buying Jordans. You know, those get played out every day, man, you know. So I seen these online, man, and decided to give them a try. They, man, I like how they splash in a little color. Yeah, these, man, you see that little splash on them? I love these, you know.